Hi everyone, it's Fury here. This tutorial is for everyone who struggles to install any marketplace plugin into their engines and projects. So basically for Unreal Engine newbies. So basically, in order to properly install the Unreal Engine plugin that you purchase on the marketplace, and it doesn't matter what kind of plugin this is, you need to open the Epic launcher first. It's where you have all the engines and everything. Go down, search for the plugin you want. For example, I will want to install one of the plugins that I own here. Make sure that the filters are applied properly. You find your plugin, then you click install to engine. Select the engine version that you want to use it for. So we as content creators on Unreal Engine Marketplace or plugin creators, we need to upload a different version of the plugin for each and every Unreal Engine version because there are some differences. That's why you will have a selection of which engine you want to install the plugin into. So and the process is exactly the same for all of the engine versions. It doesn't matter whether you are using 4.27 or even older versions or 5.4. So in my case, I'll just 5.4. I click install. It will take a couple of seconds for it to be installed. Let's give it a second to load up. Okay, so now it's installed, and if you click it again, you will see that 5.4 disappeared. So you have other engines to install it to as well if you want to. But basically, the idea is that the plugin must be installed into the particular Unreal Engine version that your project uses. So I have a project on 5.4, so I install it into 5.4. So once the plugin is installed, you basically want to go to your project, open up your project, or you can open up your project through the launcher here as well, doesn't matter. And it doesn't matter whether you have a Blueprint or C++ project. The idea is that, okay, now the engine has the plugin enabled or installed, but the project doesn't know that yet. So you need to enable the plugin for particular project. So basically, you go to Edit, Plugins, and you type the name of the plugin you want to have. I installed, for example, Simple Instance Spline Mesh. You do this, you create Restart Now, and then after clicking Restart Now, just restart the project, and the plugin will now be available for a project. So it depends what kind of plugin you installed. It's just gonna be different for everyone. But for example, in Simple Instance Spline Mesh, which is plugin I am the author of, I can go to the engine plugins, and you'll see that the Simple Instance Spline Mesh should be right here. There you go. And so the plugin's here. If the plugin wasn't installed in the engine or in the project, this wouldn't be here. You wouldn't have access to this. One more important thing is that normally, sometimes the engine will hide engine content here for you. So always make sure you go to settings and have the show plugin content and show engine content. Because if you can see, if I disable that, you won't be able to access the plugins that are installed in this engine. The engine entire folder engine disappeared. So make sure that those filters are enabled, and basically you can do anything from then onwards. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.